Hello, it's Viola from Effortless Marketing, and today I'm going to talk to you about Zoom. Everybody is hearing about Zoom. If you didn't hear about Zoom by now, I don't know. You didn't turn on the TV, I guess. So I've been using Zoom for, a few years now, and it's getting better and better. And what is Zoom? Zoom is a video conferencing software. It's a tool that we can use to communicate with each other remotely. It's amazing, really, it is. I really like it. And as I said, it's getting better and better because I started using this way back probably like 5 years ago, at least, 4, but probably 5 anyway. It's zoom.us is the URL, and you can get it for free. And here is the pricing, just so you can just put in Zoom pricing and you're going to see it. You can host up to 100 participants, and you can have a meeting 4 minute long, and it's all for free. I think that's pretty amazing. The beauty of it is that now that more and more people are getting online because we have to, they had to, um, you can actually do a lot of stuff that feels as close as possible to being in an in-person meeting. Um, so if you're, let's say, a nutritionist, you can have a nutritional consultation just on Zoom one-on-one, and you can record that consultation, and then the patient will have that to that's for me, that's very important. I can listen to it again or watch it again. If you're a coach of any kind, you can have a small class or a larger class on Zoom. So just explore your possibilities on Zoom. I really like the feature that I can record this and then I can go and edit, and if I need to, and upload my video or my conference call, and share it on YouTube, share it everywhere. So it's content, good content. What else? Oh, okay. This is my profile here. It's very easy to set up. I always use my laptop. I haven't used a phone, like a mobile phone yet, but it should be easy too. Might have some different little features, but it's not difficult to figure out. And they have a good support um, system, so you can ask support to help you out. So it just, you have meetings. If you pay, you can have webinars going, and then you have your recordings, and they keep the recordings there. The recordings is not just the video that they record, but also you can have the voice recording. So if you want to just share that, that's great. Uh, I'm just going to go through how to set this up. So you click on meeting. I have which version do I have? I'll show you which one. I have this one here, the $15 one. So it just gives me enough options for now that I want to use, and it doesn't break the bank. So see, I have already some meetings scheduled. I can schedule my meetings, and it integrates with uh, go. I am can't find my words. So it integrates with your calendar. That's what I wanted to say. And you can notify people and all that. So you just schedule a meeting, and away you go. It's very easy. Put down your time. It's self-explanatory. I'm not going to waste your time going through this. You save it, and when you save it, you have an option of saving it to the calendar. So that's all I wanted to say about this. Explore Zoom, get out there, and you can practice with somebody, practice with your friend. If you're not feeling comfortable on how this works, And that's about it. Oh, it also you can share the screen. That's I forgot to tell you. So there's has a chat feature, so people can talk to each other, and you can talk to people on the chat. And you can also share your screen while you're talking. And I love that feature. I really do. So it's very helpful. That's it. Bye bye. See you at the next video. I almost forgot to add the stuff about Calendly. So I'm here on our effortless.marketing website. That's our company's, our agency's website. And on the contact page, I have this free offer, like a 30-minute free in-person consultation. And here's the link to my Calendly. I'm using the free version of Calendly because Calendly allows you to have one appointment, one type of appointment for free. So that's all I'm using it for. The 30-minute free in-person consultation, marketing consultation. I want to show you this. Well, one, you're welcome to use this, the free 30 minutes free consultation. But if you have a website, put this on your contact page, whatever your scheduler is, but Calendly is just good enough. And offer something, or just say, get in touch with me, and have a way for people to book, because people like to book online. We don't want to be phoning back and forth or emailing back and forth if possible, right? So this, in conjunction with Zoom, works perfectly, because let's walk this through. Somebody finds you, hopefully, on your website. They go to your contact page. They see that you offer something, or you are maybe a free consultation, or a low, I don't know, a $10 consultation, just to get to know you, and you get to know them, and they book. Okay? So when they book, then you can then book a Zoom meeting with them. And just want to show you, this is Calendly here. And see, this is new. They integrate with Zoom. So right away, you can integrate Calendly with Zoom, and it works like a charm. Use it. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.